Hello everybody, Hiccup here. It looks like Miss Barron have bought something new, cool from a brand new Dreamworks animation movie. I wonder what it could be. Let's open it up and see what it is. Oh, someone there looking at us. Oh, who is it? Oh, look! Oops! It's a plush figure with from Dreamworks Animation's new movie Home, premiering this month. Wow! Awesome! It's an O with sounds. Wow! Let's try him. I think you have a little string here that we need to take off so we can try him. I think I got it out. Now let's see. He doesn't say anything. Let's check it out later. Later, because we have another toy here. I can see. We can try him out later. Oh, look here! It's a doll with the girl from the movie. Do you know the name of the girl? It's Tip, and it's a talking Tip doll. It says talking Tip and O. It's a little O figure too. And it has some accessories. Wow, isn't that awesome? And we can try her too. Let's see if she works.
You know, my mom says your mistakes are what make you human.
Oh, she thought. Do you hear what she said? That her mom says that mistakes is what making us human. That's a very good lesson. He said, gotcha, 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 gotcha. Yeah.
I'm trying to hide from the boob. I'm not bringing one with me.
That sounds so cool. I think I'm gonna open up these things and we're gonna take a closer look at them. And I'm gonna check out if we need to put some batteries in our... We'll just take a close look up where we make him sound. I'll be back very, very quickly. Alright, you guys, now I think I squeezed him a little bit and now I think that we can hear him. If I squeeze a little bit harder. Did you hear that? Now he made some sounds. Let's try it again. He sounds kind of silly, huh? He makes a lot of noisy sounds, but he might be a little bit cute too. I think he's very, very, very nice. And you can feel how soft he is. I really wish that you could feel that he's very, very soft and cute. Now we're gonna open up these guys and take a really quick look at them. First I'm gonna see if Tip has something more to say.
Call me Tip. It's not about how they look. It's about how they feel. You know, my mom says your mistakes are what make you human.
Now I think we heard all her phrases. That's very, very nice. Now let's open them up. Alright, you guys, now I finally got these figures out of the box and wow, does they look super duper awesome. Let's first take a look at O again. Now let's push him one more time. He sounds kind of funny. And look at him, how beautiful he is. As I told before, we wish that you could feel him. He's very, very soft and cuddly. Aww. And look at, and here he had this spiral. And look at his eyes and his happy mouth. He looks exactly like he does in the movie. Wow. I'm so super excited to see it. And what I also love about him is that he can actually stand on by himself. Look at his legs. He can actually stand by himself. It's so super duper awesome. And you have, see the note here, it says home. And we have the Dreamworks logo. That's super duper awesome. And his ears super duper cool. Oh. and now we're gonna take a look at the Tip doll. And as I showed you, she talks.
You know, my mom says your mistakes are what make you human.
That's so true, Tip. Oh, and just look at you and your beautiful hair, so locked and curly. I really, really, really like it. And I love that your eyes have reflections, so it makes them more realistic, and your super cute little cheeks with a happy smile. Oh, you look so beautiful, and it's really real jeans that you wear, and a super nice t-shirt. Wow, I love it. And look at your shoes, they're so nice. And I don't really know if they can come off. Yeah, I felt a little bit. I think that they do come off, but you gotta think of very much strange. And I'm not gonna do this right now. I think I'm gonna leave it as they are, because you are so beautiful just the way you are, Tip. Wow. It's very nice to meet you, Hiccup. Yeah, it's very nice to meet you too, Tip. And look here we have again. We have a little mini figure with him, and he waves his little hand. And if you look at the box that the plushie come with, you can see that he has a little picture where he waves a little bit shy on you. It looks like waves a little bit, and this toy does that too. That's super duper awesome. It looks exactly like in the movie. And this pack with the doll and the O figure also comes with some beauty accessories. So Tip can give O here a nice makeup. Now, so you know, all these things are just pretend. It's not real lipstick. It's just for imaginative play. Look, it's a beautiful little mirror for him. And I love it. All the things have this little spiral on it. That's a very iconic thing for the movie, and especially the logo. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna see those things a lot more in the movie. And here we have the logo too, and this awesome lipstick. He can use some on him. Play that we're giving him a makeup. And here we have a little brush. That was cute. You can put in here. Aww. And here we have a little comb too, that we can put him to comb him. We have a spiral here too, of course. We can pretend that we're combing him. Even though he doesn't have so much hair, we can pretend that we're combing him. And I'm not going to comb Tip, because her hair is perfect just the way it is. Thank you very much. You're welcome, Tip. So yeah, guys, this was some super awesome cool new toys from the new Dreamworks animation movie Home. It's a plush with O, and a pack with a Tip doll, and a minifigure with O, and some makeup stuff. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this video, and I really hope that you're gonna go and see the movie Home. I'm totally gonna do. And don't forget to leave a comment and like, and subscribe. Have a super duper awesome day. Goodbye, everyone.